Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going to do the advanced version of the Makosa group. The first time we did it, it was the simple version. This is the advanced version. This is for all you advanced players out there. As always, let's listen to what it sounds like, then we can break it down. So that's what it is. Now, let's roll the intro, then we'll break it down. Before we move on, you would need to join the Player Nation. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but you would need to join the Player Nation because there's a whole lot of drum stuff that can be learned if you join the Player Nation. And the only way you can join the Player Nation is by hitting the subscribe and hitting the bell to be notified. Let's smash 140 likes for this video, shall we? Okay, so let's move on and break down the video. If you break it down into smaller parts, it's actually quite simple, to be honest. So as we did in the first video, the first part of the group has a pickup note in the middle. So it's like 3 notes, and the middle one is a pickup groove. So this is what it sounds like. So the second part of it has 4 notes. The first 2 notes are ghost notes and the next 2 are accents. So this is what it sounds like. So you can take the first part and the second part, put it together, sprinkle some salt, and this is what it sounds like. So now we have that part down. We need to add the third part of the groove to it because obviously there will need to be 3 parts in the groove to make it spicy. The salt, the water, and the jalapeno cream. What? So this is pretty much the whole hand pattern, but since we are going to loop it on itself, we need to come up with something that ties it up, that so it can loop on itself. And what do? We put 4 ghost notes at the end of the whole pattern. But before we do that, let's have a word from our sponsor. The Drum Chops Builder app is an amazing app. So do you want milk for your tea? Well, the Drum Chops Builder app cannot provide milk for your tea, but what it can do is it can help you save your drum ideas when you're on the go, up and about. Doing the thing, you just save your ideas on it and practice later. No hassle, no problems. So the link is down in the description. Download now. Okay, back onto the video. So to recap, and what do? We put 4 ghost notes at the end of the whole pattern. This is what the 4 ghost notes sound like. So you take a ghost notes, then you add it to the main pattern, then this is what it sounds like. now we have the hand pattern now. So we have to add a kick and a little bit of embellishment on the hi-hats. And that's pretty much it, players. I hope you found value in this. I hope you try this out. I hope it works out for you, because it's actually quite nice. Actually, it's actually a really good groove and it's good to have it in your apps now, so you can pull it out one day somewhere at church or somewhere else. I don't know where you go, but hey, do the thing and do it well. That's all I say. Do the thing and do it well. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit the bell to be notified. Join the Player Nation. We are almost at 10k subs. I don't know if we are at 10k by the time of posting of this video. So if we are at 10k, congratulations. We hit 10,000 subscribers. Subscribe, yes. Subscribe, yes. Congratulations. We hit 10,000 subscribers. It was amazing. It was a good run. But we need to hit 100k. So do the thing. Share the video. Do the stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Random solo section coming up. Have a great day. That's all I'll say. Have a great day. God bless you. Peace.